Hello dear traders, this is Petko Aleksandrov and I continue with the example because the price jumped higher the last hours and I'm into the never losing formula. So what I need to do now, I need to place another sell stop on the same level of 6,485.41. So I am going to trading and new order. As a type, I will select pending order sell stop, but here first I need to change it to one lot, and my entry price will be very same as the initial order, so that would be 6,485.41. Stop loss will be 6,965.41, and my take profit is 6,125.41. I click on place, the trade is placed, and you should not see any different lines from the ones that we are having. This means that you have placed it on the exact same place as the initial order. Okay guys, so I will continue the example. If the price goes up to my take profit of the buy order, or if it goes down and hits the level of 6,485.41, I will need to place another buy stop with another 1.4 lots. Okay, thank you for watching and I will continue with the example. Cheers.